Lancet Global Health highlighted that nearly 50% of Indian adults are physically inactive, posing severe health-related issues. The study also shows a significant rise in inactivity from 2000 to 2022, with women being more affected than the men. Thus, we spoke to trainers and fitness coaches who told us about how women struggle to manage their daily routine, which makes them less likely to engage in physical activities. Well, namaste, you're watching Vibes of India and I'm Flory. How long have you been a coach?
I have been a coach since 2003 with multiple gyms. Currently, I am with Anytime Fitness since 1 year. So we have got multiple clients day in day out who come, who work out, who are regular on a regular basis.
The gyms that we go to, uh, men are mostly found and female are like, with 5 men we see only 2 women out there. So like, why is it that happening? And like, why does not women are like motivated to go to the gym and do engage in such physical activities?
There are multiple things and multiple reasons for the thing you are talking. Number one, females are very conservative related to the workout. There are multiple myths related to females in their mind. Okay, if they leave the gym in a shorter duration of time, they increase and put on the weight very rapidly. But that is wrong, right? While doing the workout, you improve upon your metabolism, and decreasing the metabolism after leaving the gym is not at all possible, and it takes a very long duration of time to decrease the metabolism and put on the weight again, right? That is something which is natural. Number two, के time का problem, right? Time, I think for a female it is very important to manage at least 1 hour in a day for physical exertion. As we are moving ahead, as we are technically advancing, the physical activity of a female has reduced from 100% to 10%, right? So physical activity is much more required to maintain their physical strength. Plus, they need to exercise to control their weight and maintain the metabolism of their body.
हर एक वुमेन के लिए वेरी डिफिकल्ट होता है अपने रूटीन को फॉलो करना, लेकिन जब हम बात एक्सरसाइज की कर रहे हैं, वर्कआउट की कर रहे हैं, अपने हेल्थ और फिटनेस को लेकर कर रहे हैं, तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल मैं ये कहना चाहूँगी कि हेल्थ एंड फिटनेस आर वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट इन आवर लाइफ. जो सोशल लाइफ और मनी के पीछे आप भाग रहे हो, आफ्टर सम एज वो काम नहीं आएगा. अगर आप हेल्थ आपकी सही है, अगर आप फिट है, तो वही आपकी सबसे बड़ी संपत्ति है. तो सबसे ज़रूरी है कि आप फिट रहे. और जैसा कि सब लोग बोलते हैं हमारे पास टाइम ही नहीं है यार, वर्कआउट करने का टाइम ही नहीं मिलता है, तो मैं चाहती हूँ कि अगर आप उसमें कॉन्स्टेंटली वर्क करेंगे तो आपको टाइम भी मिलेगा.
How long have you been, gymming over here?
So it's been 3 months so far, but usually I have been a very active person all my life. So during my school time, I think I've played all kinds of sports, and then I was into Pilates, and since last 3 months I've
Like, what is your profession?
yeah, I'm an interior designer, and we also look into architecture as well at the sites. So that my field itself keeps me active, and it challenges a lot of site work from us. So that really helps in terms of traveling as well. I think I travel a lot, and me being a travel enthusiast, I do face these challenges where you for an example, you just have to lift your 25 kilo bag and put it on the top of the cabin. So challenges like these, that really helps if you kind of gym and do heavy lifting and weight training.
Study shows that 52% of women in India are physically inactive, and this can go up to 55% by 2030. So if you're one of them, let me tell you 5 benefits of starting your physical activity or workout from today. Number 1 is managing your weight. If you don't move enough, your body burns only fewer calories, and the excess calories are stored as fat. So starting physical activity or workout every day will help you to maintain your weight. Second is improved cardiovascular health. Regular physical activity can improve your blood circulation, strengthen your heart muscle, and lower your blood pressures. Third is increase in muscle mass and improved joint health. Now this is true as you age, you lower your bone density, but you can slow down this process by daily adding physical activity to your routine. Also, daily strength training can improve your muscle mass with time and having an amazing joint health. Number 4, better mental health. Remember, exercise has a tremendous impact on your mental health. As you exercise, your body releases endorphins, which is an happy hormone. So regular exercise can reduce your stress level, anxiety and depression. The last point is better sleep quality. Remember, exercise can help you improve your sleep quality and help you fall asleep faster.